Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to view your Shein purchase history in 2025. If you ordered before and want to track your past items or check delivery status, this guide is for you. First, open the Shein app or go to the Shein website. Log into your account using your email or social login. Once logged in, tap me at the bottom right of the app or click your profile icon on desktop. From there, select My Orders. Here, you'll see all your recent and past purchases. Each order shows the item details, order number, delivery progress, and payment status. You can tap any order to see tracking updates or request returns and refunds if available. If you don't see all your orders, try switching tabs between processing, ship, and complete. And that's how to view purchase history on Shein in 2025. Super easy and great for checking your past shopping or deliveries. If this helped, stay tuned for more quick tutorials like this.